TV announcement. Get ready for an exciting new series. I'm launching a new calligraphy series where I'll be writing subscriber's name. I can beautifully write your name in 3 distinct styles. First, cursive writing. Second, print writing. And third, gothic writing. Exciting news. Every video will be uploaded within 2 to 3 days. What are you waiting for? Drop your name in the comment box to be part of this unique series. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon for the latest updates. And don't forget to share this with your friends.